Hello all, welcome back to Chill with Sabby. I hope you're all doing well. Today, the video is about mini dino and the 1:64 scale dino. So before I proceed, I would like to give a glimpse of Quadrotorcosaur, which I made the video few days back. So check out the link for more information or can be seen at the end of the video. So we have here the mini version. It's a pack of 3 mini dino, as these are mini racers. We'll get back to it later. Let's unbox this Westphalanopus. The card itself is a heavy. So let's unbox it and let's see how does it look in person. And it looks really cool. It's a decent looking dino car which has weight, well designed, and it has some rusty appearance. Was watching Dino Park Pixar Cars on the Road. I wanted to see what role does it has, as the McQueen said these were the first grazing dino vans travel in the herd for their safety. And here comes the Quadrotorcosaur. Notice how the dorsal plates were arranged to fend off an attack. All over with the design, it looks great. And they look really great, and each has their own unique design that makes stand out. And by the way, it rolls very smooth. On any surface until you are looking for gravel, I don't think so it moves. Switching on to the minifigure dino mini version, these are lighter and original one, it looks like having a baby of 1:64 version of dino. So let me know what do you think about this mini version and the 1:64 version. Ankylosaurus is a cool, blue-looking dino. I don't think a 1:64 version has come out yet, but maybe will in the future. I'm eagerly waiting for that dino. That would be cool. All over, I'm impressed with these dino cars. Here are other versions. And the search is still going on. So let me know in the comments which dino cars you own. Owning all make a good set from the Disney Pixar cars. So these are which I have collected. So that's all for today. Share your thoughts, like, share, and subscribe for more. Until next time, keep exploring, keep smiling, and happy collecting.